guys, good evening and good morning to everyone. Today's vlog, so I'm eating my dinner. So it's a late dinner, it's already 8-ish here. So I'm having a roasted chicken and my veggies. So I already pray guys and I already washed my hands. So come on, let's eat. Saluhan niyo ko, mga tamo Kenny. I have suka here, a vinegar with chili. It was a long day for me today. Happy day kasi. So, awi ko lang ng bahay. Overtime. Ang daming tao. Hindi ako makaalis. Sobrang daming tao. So crunchy. Ayun, yung mga anak ko kumain na sila. Bago umalis yung asawa ko, nakain na sila. So yummy. Guys, don't forget to watch my vlog. And those who will not follow me and subscribe me, please click down below. Watch me. Thank you very much. And God bless you all. Mwah.